I have been given an absolute gift today. My friend Richard here is going to let me review and drive his 3.0 Toyota Supra. It is a 2020, and would you like to give us a little rundown of it?
It has a downpipe, it has MST colder intake, and it has AFE charge pipe.
Okay.
Eventually we're gonna get it tuned, but I don't know when. So.
I will tell you guys this. This car in person looks way better. And not saying it's bad in pictures, but seeing it in person is just so different. Did you feel that same way too when you...
Yeah, you know what? It wasn't even a car I was gonna want to get. As soon as I saw it in person, I fell in love with it. I'm actually a manual guy, but you know, this car is an exception, you know.
So you bought this February last year?
February 12th. I hardly drive it.
Yeah, it only has 2,800 miles on it?
Yeah.
My goodness, man. Absolutely beautiful. If anyone knows a good Toyota Supra tuner
or BMW,
yeah, let us know in the comments. This was rated at 335 horsepower to the crank, which people soon found out that they were actually underrated.
Yes, sir.
That is a big boy. Nice MST performance.
Yeah.
Very cool. I mean, this is sleek.
Yeah, you know how California regulations are, and I tried to order that one myself, and I couldn't because, you know, California, they don't let you get anything, so I had to get it from one of my friends, a performance shop, and he was able to order that for me.
Nice.
And then this as well. This is the charge pipe.
That's a charge pipe?
Yeah, the charge pipe.
That's enormous.
So we had to get this charge pipe because eventually when we get more power, the factory one's plastic. It looks like crap, you know. They crack.
Okay.
After their more mods are done, they crack. So I'm like, you know what? Let's get this already. And the downpipe is right there. It's the same brand as this, the AFE. Okay. It's down there somewhere.
Nice quality stuff.
I want to preserve it, you know, little things. I don't want to go too crazy, you know.
Yeah.
I want to leave it as stock as possible, you know.
Oh, I mean, it already looks phenomenal. And wow, this hood, this is cool. You had to decide between this, a C8 Corvette, and a Tesla.
Yes.
Why did you choose this?
You know what? I actually have, my first car was a Toyota Camry, 2003 Camry. And my second car was a Tacoma, so I just kept it with Toyota. I know it's BMW, you know, in the heart here, but yeah. And then the C8 Corvette was a little out of my price range at the time. So
yeah, they were marketing
right now, yeah, you know. But you know what? I fell in love with this car, and I'm just gonna keep it. Yeah. I got these carbon fiber pieces. I'm not done with it. I'm actually gonna go all full car. The steering wheel is like carbon fiber there.
Oh, nice. Wow. Again, Richard, this is incredibly generous of you, man. I really appreciate it.
Hey, no worries, man.
Okay, it is time. Again, Richard, this is incredibly generous of you, man. I really appreciate it.
Hey, no worries, man. You push this little button and just pull it back. You're gonna drive.
Man. Big long hood there in front of us. Oh, we have a heads-up display.
Oh yeah.
And it knows the speed limit.
It doesn't tell you much, but I mean, it's better at night. We're already in sport mode, yes.
Okay, so the steering is already pretty tight. I like it. It tells us what gear we're into. This is an 8-speed.
Yes.
Dual clutch. That exhaust note is just so pleasant. Oh. So when this car is in sport mode, what happens to the car?
It basically, you hear it.
So
the valve opens up the exhaust. There's a valve, so let's turn it off. Here, I'm gonna take it off of sport mode.
Sure. Oh yeah, I feel
it's already changing high gears. Yeah. We're already on 5th gear, and you don't even hear it. It turned off. It has the engine stop.
Okay.
So now we're on sport mode.
Oh, you can hear it sucking in the air.
You can go more that way as soon as you get a chance.
Okay. Oh, wow. Oh! I barely even touched the throttle, man. What was your first impression of this car?
Well, look, I used to have I was telling you, a 400 horsepower all-wheel drive, all-wheel horsepower Evo.
Yep.
06. This still feels faster for some reason.
Wow.
Change lanes a little more because they're gonna start merging in here.
Oh wow! I love how it downshifts immediately.
One more.
It's so responsive.
Oh yeah.
It's totally different when you don't have to worry about changing gears. And our man Richard is only 31 years old. You're 30 when you bought this. You've been good at saving money.
Yes.
Did they let you test drive this?
No. Basically, you gotta qualify for the car already. Basically, commit to it. When you're already committed to getting the car,
Yep.
that's when they let you test drive it.
Ah, okay.
And as soon as I test drove it, after I was done, I was just so excited. I'm like, where do I sign, you know?
With a catless downpipe, it's still not even that loud.
Push it here if you want.
Oh my god. I don't know how to explain the power delivery. It is different.
You know, like
You know what I think it is there's like extremely little turbo lag.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it's just so immediate, so responsive.
Just so you guys know, you could tell them I had a 2017 SI.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
So that's how you found my channel.
Yes.
You had a 2017 SI. What was the first video that you saw of mine?
You know what? You were rapping in blue.
Ah, okay.
Your SI. You were rapping your 10 Gen blue. So this has been some time.
That was like last April, yeah. So Toyota offers like a package membership thing for you to go and track this?
Yes.
Wow, so that's how confident Toyota is with this car and its capabilities and its reliability.
Go ahead.
Oh! I'm falling in love with this, man.
I used to have one of those too.
You used to have a BRZ?
This is the Scion FRS.
Yeah, okay.
The same color. If you look at my Instagram, you scroll back in time, you'll see it.
So you only buy white cars, pretty much?
Yep.
Yeah.
You saw the SI was white. The only one that was different was the Evo. And if you see my Instagram, I actually wrapped it white. So I just like white cars. Keep on the first lane here. Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, that was like half throttle. It broke loose back there.
Oh yeah.
I mean, oh wow. Oh, this. Oh my god. Okay, I don't want to beat on your car anymore, man. I get it. This is I don't know how to explain the power delivery. It's so fast, but it delivers the power in such a strange way from what I'm used to.
Yeah.
Oh my god, those downshifts.
It's not even tuned yet, man.
It's not even tuned, yeah.
Maybe we'll when I get it tuned, I'll let you know. We'll make another video.
When this car first came out, I will admit, I kind of scoffed at it. I was like, it doesn't come in a manual. How could they do that?
Yeah.
But driving one right now, I will tell you guys this is a totally different experience in a very positive way. I'll do one more for the boys.
Alright, let's go.
Oh my god. And that kick that it gives you when it shifted gears. This is just so far out of my realm that I don't know how to put my thoughts into words right now. You know, I'm just not used to this. I'm used to driving an old 9th gen that sounds like it has an exhaust leak. You know what I mean?
I'm not used to it either, man.
What are all the cars you've had since your first car was a Toyota Camry?
Camry was a two-door Tacoma 07. Then I had a Scion TC. 2013.
Okay.
2014 Scion FRS.
Yep.
2006 Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution. and the transmission blew on that, so I kind of had to downgrade big time. I got a 2016 when the brand new Civics came out, the regular Civic, the EXT.
Yep.
It was like the before the SI. Then the SI came out, and I fell in love with it, so I traded it in.
Yeah.
And then the Type R came out, and then I couldn't do that at the moment because I just got the SI. And we still have the SI. I passed it on to my brother.
Oh, no way.
Clear.
The
you know what? Go. You're good. Go ahead.
oh, wow.
Sit here.
Just, I mean, you don't have to worry about it, about what gear you want to be in. This car just knows. Oh, and those downshifts.
Yeah.
Whoa, man. When I get my Type R and get it tuned, we should race. Well, if you're tuned by that time, then, you know, that's probably going to be an easy victory for you. If this was still in the stock tune and I had my Type R tuned, it might be a good race, but, I mean, this is just...
I did a bunch of cars already.
Oh, have you raced?
This thing, yeah, I just never record.
So what have you raced so far?
I raced was it Infiniti Q60?
Okay.
I beat him by a couple cars. I raced the RT, Scat Pack.
The Scat Pack.
That thing wasn't even close. I beat him.
Wow.
Really good. And that's when I was stock. Like, well, I haven't done it too, so I still consider it stock, you know. But
Does this gain more power still on the stock tune with the downpipe and stuff?
they told me it does.
Oh, you know what? With the catless downpipe, that's gonna be part of the reason why it spools so quickly.
Oh,
Again, thank you so much
no worries, man.
for letting me do this.
Thank you for being here, man. I didn't think that was. I just messaged you. I'm like, hey, we'll see what happens, you know. Like maybe you don't want to review a Supra, you know.
I'll review anything I can get my hands on, but when you asked me to review this, I had to take a couple seconds. I was like, is this man serious? Yeah, I'm sorry I'm not talking so much. I'm just enjoying this, man. This is I'm out of my comfort zone, but in a good way. It's very tight in here. Good thing I'm only like 5'10". I don't think this car was made for people over like what,
6'2".
probably 6'2"-ish. Yeah.
My buddy is 6'4", and he was okay. His head hit. If he had a helmet, he would hit the. I think you and I will be, because I think I'm 5'9", so you're an inch taller. I don't hit my head.
Yeah. This white looks amazing too.
Yeah.
Jeez. Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, man.
I don't know how to put it into words. That was just such a treat. You know, that was
No worries, man.
amazing.
All good.
That's Toyota Supra. Holy crap. All right. Well, that was on Saturday. Today is, what day is it? Tuesday. So I've had time to think about it. That was just, I don't really know what to say. I mean, that was a Toyota Supra that someone offered for me who makes content on a couple Civic SIs to go and drive it and review it. That was outrageously generous of Richard. I almost feel like I didn't even deserve that. But hey, if you're watching this and you have a car that you wouldn't mind me reviewing and you live in the Sacramento area, like Northern California, let me know. I'm always looking for new cars to try, and by no means is this a Honda channel. I had someone text me the other night. They have a Kia Stinger GT, and you know, I've been saying that, hey man, I'll have you on. I've just been lazy with scheduling it. But he said, you probably don't want a Kia Stinger on your channel because it's a Honda channel. And I was like, whoa, no, it's not. This is not a Honda channel. It's only because I don't have enough money right now to buy all the different cars that I want. But one day, I will have so many different types of cars, V8 rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive hatchback, 1980s, 1990s, everything. I will have everything on my channel one day. Just gotta wait. My channel's not gonna blow up overnight, and I'm not gonna get all this YouTube revenue just overnight, you know? It takes time. Last year was a really successful year. I improved most of my stats by a lot throughout the year. So hopefully I get this Type R and people continue to watch me. More people come and watch my channel and just have a good time. That's really what it's about. But yeah, by no means is this just a Honda channel. That is
absolutely incorrect if you think that. That's totally not my plan. But I will probably always have at least one Honda on my channel. No matter how long I do this, I'll always have at least one. And pretty soon, that's going to be a Civic Type R. I'll see you guys in another couple days. And next video is going to be really fun. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching.